Hi and welcome to a new video tutorial by CrocFIX. I will show you today how to open the back cover and replace it on your Samsung Galaxy A41 smartphone. If you need any parts or tools, I have posted the links in the video description. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks. At first we will need to heat up the back cover, so I'm using a heat gun here, and around 180 to 200 degrees, maybe for 1 or 2 minutes at a safe distance. Keep in mind the back cover is made by plastic, so don't use too much heat, otherwise you can bend the plastic. Okay, so now we need to open the back cover. For that we use a suction cup to make a gap between the back cover and the middle frame. Once you have made a small gap between, try to put your fingernail inside or a plastic tool. You just need a small gap. As you see, it's working perfectly. Once you have your fingernail inside, you can try to pull up this little back plastic, the back cover, and you just pull it back until you open it, as you see now. Here the best way to work is to work slowly. You just gently pull up the back cover. You will see that the adhesive tape will stay on the back cover. It's actually the best way that it stays on the back cover, then you don't need to use a new one. This phone anyway isn't waterproof, so it won't be waterproof after the repair as well. Now you see that we are almost done. So now it's kind of a little bit tricky part here. We want to leave all the adhesive tape on it, so I'm using here the help with a little screwdriver just to detach the adhesive from the middle frame and stick it back to the back cover. And I will use now here a pry tool to cut just a little bit. Here you have to be really carefully because very close to it there is a flex cable, so don't cut the flex cable here, as you see, otherwise you will need to buy a new one. So here I just use a plastic card here, a plastic something, just to cut the edges a little bit. And now there we go, the back cover is detached. Okay, there we go. So you just take a pump here. I just cleaned a little bit everything inside with this air pump, just the dust, and then we take the new back cover. I have already here some adhesive tape on it. You have to put all the adhesive tape around. If you already bought a genuine original back cover, then the adhesive tape should be already on it, and you just remove the protectors, I mean the adhesive tape protectors, and then you can stick in the back cover. You can also clean the edges and everything with alcohol. And if you want, you put some glue also in each corner. If you have a genuine new back cover, then you don't need to put this glue. If you have a copy one, non-original, then better you put a little bit glue everywhere for better holding. Okay, once you put that glue, then I'm reheating here a little bit the adhesive tape on the back cover. I'm doing this only because the adhesive tape is used and the back cover is used. If you have a new back cover, you don't need to do that. You just remove the plastic protectors for the adhesive, and that's it. And then you put the back cover on it and you press everywhere in the corners. So the stickers and the adhesive tape will hold and stick to the frame. So you go around everywhere and press, and that should be fine then. If you have removed the SIM card tray, you can put it back in, and that's it. Thanks for watching, please comment and like the video, and donations are appreciated. You find a donation link in my About page and in the video description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.